Oh, you know that specific, crunchy, airy ice you get at Sonic or your favorite high-end coffee shop. The kind that makes a plain soda feel like a luxury and turns a regular iced coffee into a treat-yourself moment. We've all been there, trying to replicate that at home with standard ice trays, only to end up with hard, tooth-chipping cubes that just don't hit the same. That's where the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker comes in to totally upgrade your kitchen game. This machine is a powerhouse for anyone who takes their hydration, or their cocktails, seriously. It churns out a massive 44 pounds of ice per day, which is plenty to keep a busy family happy or fuel a weekend barbecue without anyone having to run to the gas station for a bag of ice. The soft, chewable pebble ice it makes is porous, meaning it actually absorbs the flavor of your drink, so your last crunch of ice tastes just as good as your first sip. Despite being a high-capacity machine, it's remarkably compact and sleek in stainless steel, so it won't hog all your counter space. And let's be honest, nobody wants another appliance that's a pain to wash. Silonn solved that with a one-click self-cleaning feature. Just fill it with water, press the button, and let it do the dirty work for you. Whether you're hosting a party, working from your home office, or just want the good ice for your nightly water, this is the ultimate luxury that pays for itself in every sip. Click the link below for the best price and finally bring the good ice home.